Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated smartwatches of the year, the brand new Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. This isn't just another upgrade, this is Garmin making a statement, merging their legendary adventure-focused Fenix line with the premium features of the Epix series to take on the likes of Apple and Samsung head-on. So, is this the ultimate adventure smartwatch you've been waiting for? Let's find out. Display and design. First up, the display. Garmin has finally brought the gorgeous OLED screen from the Epix line to the Fenix series. And trust me, it makes a huge difference. Gone are the traditional low-power LCDs. This new display is bright, crisp, and makes everything from maps to notifications pop. It instantly makes the Fenix 8 Pro feel more modern and premium. But this is still a Fenix, which means it's tough. You still get Garmin's signature combination of 5 physical buttons and a responsive touchscreen. They've even added a new metal guard on the side to protect sensors, plus leak-proof buttons for diving. And yes, it's unapologetically rugged. Interface and smart features. Garmin has also revamped the interface. You'll notice it's more responsive, with haptic feedback when you press buttons. Speaking of which, the buttons no longer physically click, but the vibrations let you know your input has been registered. Swipe down from the top and you get a new notifications panel. Much like the Apple Watch, notifications are color-coded, and on Android, you can even see pictures and quick reply to messages. iPhone users, it's read-only for now, but still, handy. Now, something totally new, the Fenix 8 Pro has a built-in microphone and speaker. You can take calls from your wrist, perfect for quick chats. You can also access Siri or Google Assistant right from the watch. It's not perfect, but for simple tasks or changing something on your phone without stopping your workout, it's a game changer. Even better, Garmin has added offline voice commands. You can set a timer, open settings, or record voice notes on the fly, even without a phone connection. For me, this is something every smartwatch should have. And Garmin finally delivers. Activity and fitness tracking. Now let's talk fitness and activity tracking, where Garmin really shines. The Fenix 8 Pro comes with Garmin's most accurate dual-band GPS and the new 5th-gen optical heart rate sensor, which is nearly as good as a chest strap for most uses. With over 100 activities out of the box, whether you run, hike, ski, surf, or dive, this watch has a profile for it. For the first time in a Fenix, there's dedicated diving tracking down to 40 meters. Borrowing features from Garmin's Descent dive computers, beyond workouts, the Fenix 8 Pro tracks heart health, energy levels, sleep, recovery, and more. Just note, ECG is still limited regionally available in the US and parts of Asia, but not yet in the UK, Europe, or Australia. Connectivity and apps. The Garmin Connect IQ App Store continues to grow, letting you add thousands of watch faces, data fields, workout apps, and more. Spotify support is built in, so you can download playlists and leave your phone at home. Garmin Pay is also here, though bank support remains limited compared to Apple and Google Pay. Battery and charging. The big question with an old screen: battery life. While you won't get the 22+ days of the older LCD Fenix models, the 47mm Fenix 8 Pro still delivers over 7 days between charges, with the screen always on and around 2.5 hours of GPS activity with offline Spotify playback. That's fantastic. For an old smartwatch, lasting 3 to 4 times longer than most rivals. The smaller 43mm version gives you a bit less, while the big 51mm model pushes up to around 13 days. Charging is quick too, hitting about 70% in an hour with the included USB-C cable. Sustainability and repairability. In terms of sustainability, the Fenix 8 Pro is generally repairable, and the battery should retain 90% capacity after 2 years of weekly charging. It doesn't use recycled materials, but Garmin does offer trade-in schemes and follows recycling laws in major regions. Price and final verdict. The Fenix 8 Pro AMOLED series starts at around $999 or €869, depending on your region. That's a significant jump compared to the previous generation, and more expensive than an Apple Watch Ultra 2 or the Garmin Forerunner 965. So, should you buy it? If you want the absolute best multisport adventure watch with incredible battery life, premium build, and now a stunning old display and true smartwatch features, then yes, the Fenix 8 Pro is as close as it gets to the ultimate rugged smartwatch. But if you don't need all the advanced outdoor features or plan on sticking to the gym, you might find the Forerunner 965 or Venue series a better fit for less money. Outro. Let me know in the comments. Are you thinking of picking up the Fenix 8 Pro? Or sticking with your current watch? If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more deep dive tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.